What is up, you guys? I just want to say we just hit 2,000 subscribers. It's so surreal. I've never imagined even reaching 100, and now we're at 2,000. I just want to say thank you guys so much. It's so awesome that you are enjoying my content. When we reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So what is it going to be? It's actually going to be this wing that I'm about to review for you in this video. What you have to do is be a subscriber, share the video with your friends, and leave a like. And when we reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to take everyone's name, throw it in a randomly generated pool, and pick one winner. One winner will get this wing, this awesome 69-inch, unless you want the smaller one, which is a 59-inch wing, carbon fiber wing, NRG style. So if you want to win, be a subscriber, leave a comment, share this with your friends. The faster we get to 5,000, the faster one of you guys can win. Just got a new package in. It's actually the second wing. It's the big wing. We just put on the CSL trunk yesterday, and today the big wing came in. So I'm not gonna put it on yet. I'm just gonna kind of like assemble and put it on top just to see how it's gonna look like. It's packaged really nicely, much bigger than what I expected, but we'll see. So here we go. This is the wing. It's an NRG style wing, GT wing. Carbon fiber looks amazing. Damn, let me see if I can get it in the sun. It's gonna mesh the hood so nicely. Damn, this carbon fiber is really nice. For one of the cheaper wings, it's actually really good quality. No cracks or anything. Layered pretty thick. It's just got some scuffs here, but don't even care about that. It's just gonna be polished. But damn, this wing looks so good. Can't wait for this wing to be on the car. So the wing is not on. Kind of holding it on by a box, which is sketchy because it's tipping over backwards. But it looks freaking good. I think I'm gonna trim these about an inch because they're sitting a little bit too high. Kind of like a little bit over, maybe even with the roof line, and I kind of want it to be even with the back windshield. So basically I want it like right there, but right now it's sitting a little bit higher. Can't really sure. I want to back up, but I feel like if I back up, this thing's just gonna fall on me. Or maybe not. Let's try. But that's what it looks like. Yeah, this thing looks freaking good. It's actually wide enough. It's actually still in, so I'm kind of happy. I thought I should have gotten a 59, but 69 is perfect. It's right inside the body kit, and it goes so well with the car. So here's the wing. It's just sitting in my basement collecting dust, because as you guys know, I've been molding the car. I molded the CSL trunk spoiler, so I didn't really want to put this on and take it off like a million times while I'm molding, and then I'm going to be painting. So I'm just going to paint the car first and then put this on. But this is basically going to be the wing that I will be giving away. Not this exact one, because this is going on my car, but you'll get the same one, just brand new. But this one's extremely tall. It's like 16 or 17 inches, I believe, and 69 inches wide. So it's definitely not a small wing. It's a nice, big, obnoxious wing. For my wide body, it actually fits pretty nicely, but if you don't have a wide body and your car's not that wide and you kind of want like a 59 inch, I could get you the 59 because they actually sell 59 and 69. So if you win and that's something you want, I'm definitely going to do that for you. I'll get you the 59. But the carbon fiber quality on this thing is actually really nice. This is an NRG style wing. It's one of the more affordable wings, as well as actual carbon fiber, and it's laid on really thick. And these brackets are full metal. Same with these. It's not plastic, it's not fiberglass, it's actual metal. So carbon fiber top, metal brackets. So there you guys go. That is the wing. I actually got it a few weeks ago, but since I've been molding the car and stuff like that, I haven't put it on. I'm not going to show you the whole car right now because I still have to show you the video of me actually prepping the car, sanding it down, and primering the whole thing. But like I mentioned, if you really like this wing and you want to have a chance at winning it, subscribe, leave a like, and share this with your friends. The faster we get to 5,000, the faster one of you guys can win. The same thing will happen when we reach 10,000 subscribers. I'll be doing a giveaway. It might be something else. Could be another wing if any of you guys are still interested, or it could be something else. Something more along the lines for an E46, such as the head unit that I have, the EONON head unit, the headlights, or anything from my previous build. So definitely subscribe, stay tuned, hit that notification button so you're always alerted with my new video. Thank you guys for 2,000. It's just unbelievable. I can't even express how thankful I am. So thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.